Assalamu alaikum, dear publicans. How are all of you? I think all of you are fine, and I pray for you that God bless you and keep you safe. So, I welcome you to Mathematics Lecture 5. Let's see what we are learning today. Today's topic is what comes between. Dear kids, before we start new concept, we will revise previous concepts so you can get the new concept easily. Here are two tables, after numbers and before numbers. First we will do the after number. But before starting, we have to keep some points in our mind. For the after numbers, we use regular counting for it. After numbers is always bigger than the given numbers. Number 3 point is it is always written in front of given number. Okay, now let's start doing 6, 7, and what comes after 7? Yes, everyone know it is 8. 22, 23, what comes after 23? It is 24. 36, 37, what comes after 37? It is 38, very good. 11, 12, what comes after 12? 13. Yes, you know the after numbers. Come on, let's do the before numbers now. And again we have to keep some points in our mind. So listen carefully. It is always the smaller number than the given number. Number 2, it is always written on the left hand side of the given number. Number 3, and very important point is we use backward counting for it. Okay, come on, let's do the before numbers. 4, 3, what comes before 3? It is 2. 13, 12. Now what comes before 12? Yes, it is 11. 22, 21. What comes before 21? It is 20. 47, 46. What comes before 46? Yes, it is 45. Now you know after number and before number. Let's go to the new concept. For the concept of between numbers, we must know the meaning of between. You can see 3 children are sitting in the school bus and they are going to school. They are looking very happy. Let's see who is on the front seat. This is Ahmed. Who is at the back seat? This is Sarah. And who is sitting in the center? This is Ali. It means Ali is sitting between Ahmed and Sarah. Okay, let's see some more examples of between so you can easily understand the meanings of between. Here is number 1 and 3. They both are looking very happy because they know that their friend is just coming. Let's see who will come in between 1 and 3. 2. Yes. Let's see. 16 and 18. Who will come in between 16 and 18? It is 17. Let's see another example. 25 and 27. Come on, tell me who will come in between 25 and 27? Yes, it is 26. Very good. Now you can understand that middle or central number is called between numbers. Well, dear students, I think we should do little more practice of what comes between. As you can see the table, two numbers are already written and the middle numbers or the centered number is not there. So you have to tell me what comes in between 6 and 8. Yes, it is 7. What comes in between 20 and 22? 21. What comes in between 36 and 38? It is difficult. So you can say like that, what comes after 36 and before 38? It is 37. So what comes in between 40 and 42? Yes, it is 41. What comes in between 55 and 57? 56. Very good. So the middle or central number is called between. There are two things that we need to keep in our mind when we are trying to identify between numbers. So dear kids, listen very carefully. The first thing is the number which comes in center of two numbers is called between numbers. For example, 2, it is in the center of 1 and 3. Secondly, they are always bigger than one number and smaller than the other number. For example, 12 is bigger than 11 and it is smaller than 13. It is time to say goodbye, but before leaving, you must note down your home assignment. Do a lot of practice for all three concepts in your notebooks. Dear children, there is one more thing that I would like to teach you today, and it is very, very important. My dear children, always respect your elders. Thank you very much. This is your favorite teacher, Rifat Aslam. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for joining us on DPS Media.